going to learn how to create Commvault users. Click on the Commvault browser, and then you highlight the security tab, and then you're going to do the Commvault users. Click on that. So you just right click in here, or you can right click here, one of the two. So new user, let's go with user groups, nothing yet, we haven't included. Well, let's add them to the master actually. So available groups, because we haven't created groups yet, but we're going to add them to the master group. Master group has the ability, it's like master. It's like a domain admin in Active Directory, or a sudo super user in Linux. Associated entities, user can, okay, nothing additional settings, nothing for that, and push OK. Okay, so the cool thing about Windows is you can, so now that we created this, we don't have to log out, but we can actually log in another instance of Commvault. Let's do that now. We're going to log in as that Commvault user to make sure it works. So now let me send a message from this side. I'm going to send a message to here. So I'm logged into Commvault user here on the left, and logged in as admin on the right. So let's just send a message. So it's basically just a way, it's just an internal chat feature that they have with Commvault. So I'm going to click on roles here under security roles. Okay, cool. All right, so you have the main role I've ever used or ever care to use is the master logging in. That's you have all the permissions, you have everything. You have the end users. You can create different permissions for them. You have the client admins. That is the role for the different clients. You have the client group owner. You have the all users laptops owner or permissions. The end user has files in the cloud, or like a roaming profile basically, so that they have, like, say a shared drive, or like a Q drive or some sort like that, where they log in on their profile, and all of those files are saved to that Q drive, which is a server, file server, and that file server is backed up every night. So that's how that works.